Okay, now we starting Amazon. Okay, and it's called this is our duty. So this duty we called Amazon virtual assistant. Like I'm working on Amazon, so to me you can call Amazon virtual assistant. Okay, so you can also work for yourself or your own business for other companies. Okay, and there are inside in the Amazon two types of businesses, two types accounts. Okay, two type accounts you can make. One called FBA. Okay, and the second one is FBM. FBA means fulfilled by Amazon, and the second one FBM is fulfilled by merchant. Fulfilled by merchant, for example, this is our own company and we selling this product. We want to sell these our own products on Amazon, but we will use our own warehouse. We not use the Amazon warehouse. Okay, we will be used for this our own products, our own warehouse. So we will list only our own products on the Amazon. Okay, and after that we will be courier through from the our store, not from the Amazon store. So this called FBM, fulfilled by merchant. We are merchant on the Amazon. Okay, and the second one is the FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. Okay, so inside in the fulfilled by Amazon, two types. Inside in the FBA is two types. One is the wholesale and the second one is the private label. FBA is fulfilled by Amazon. For example, if you start account FBA on the Amazon, so you will be purchase products from, for example, here in Dubai, this Dragon Mart, from the China, from America, USA, anywhere from you will be buy these your own product, and you will be sent these products to the FB Amazon store. So it's called FBA. Amazon will be handle this everything for you. He will be deliver your this product. He will be reply your question to customer, reply your reviews, handle the customer problems, anything, everything will be handled for you this Amazon. So it's called FBA. Inside FBA there are two types: wholesale and the second one is private label. Private label call to this which you have your own products. For example, you have your own factory and you manufacturing your own brand. Okay, so to call with this FBA, sorry, private label. Okay, you note this point. FB inside two types of business, FBM and FBA. Inside in the FBA, one is the wholesale and the second one is private label. Okay, and the wholesale is this is the another companies who selling multiple items on the Amazon. So we go and negotiate with this company for multiple products. We're going to purchase these products from this company, and we selling this commission for our profit on this Amazon. So it's called wholesale. Okay, okay, okay. So this is the types of Amazon accounts and businesses. Okay, after that, first, if you going to start anything learning on Amazon and anything searching on Amazon for our business, first this will be choose the product type. We will be search the markets, that which type of products most selling. Okay, on Amazon. So for this multiple criteria, how will we search, how we will be find the best selling product on the Amazon. So for this most important, first this is one tool. This for this a lot of tools in the marketplace, but which I use by myself, it's called Helium 10. Okay, so we will use this tool for this product searching, Helium 10. So for this Helium 10 we will become we will open our Google Chrome and then click here on three dots. Okay, after that we click here extension, wizard, web Chrome, web store. Okay, and here I am searching Helium 10. Helium 10, this one. I will open this. So this Helium 10 software, this is too much expensive. too much expensive in the from direct this company. So you will be buy this from resellers. Anywhere in the world you will be buy this from the reseller, not direct from the company. If you buy this direct from the company, this is more than $3,000 per month, more than $3,000 per month. For example, this is I know from one company of Pakistan. So I buy this already more than maybe 35 dirham, 35 dirham per month, Pakistani 2,800 per month. So like the reseller, if you buy this is too much and cheap price you can find. Okay, so we will be click add to Chrome, add extension. This extension now installed here. We will be close this browser. Okay, again we will click on this icon, and here helium 10 we will be pen this in upside. Okay, after that we will be first login this. So for this login, if any of the company from where you purchase this helium 10 account, they will be give you one access, one account access. Okay, so for this you will be go to login to this account. So I am going to log into this account. Okay, okay, after that you log in your account. So after login your account, you will be find loaders, loader 1 and loader 2. Okay, so you will be click on this one and this one, this will be going download. For example, this is going download. So after that I will be come again to here extensions, manage extensions. Okay, here I will be open this downloader mode. Okay, after that I will be open this developer mode. Okay, then click this download icon and I will be take this and drop here. Okay, this one, then second one, drop here. This will download it. Okay, after that I will become here and refresh this page. Okay, after that I launch this first application, this one, helium 10 web. It's not working, what's happened?